Hello children, I'm Miss Sujata here. Today I'll do a video, the chapter Volcanoes. It is for class 9. Now what are volcanoes? Volcanoes obviously are the forces arising from the interior of the earth, and they are very sudden. Their sudden movement. Okay, so the forces arising from the interior of the earth is known as endogenic force, and volcanic eruption is one such endogenic force, but it is a sudden movement. Now, what's the definition of volcano? This is very important for you. Volcano is a vent. Vent means opening on the Earth's crust from which molten rock material erupts from the interior of the Earth. Volcano, it is a vent or an opening on the Earth's crust from which molten rock material erupts from the interior of the Earth. What are the different causes of volcanic eruption? Number one is heat and pressure. This heat and pressure both increases as we go towards the center of the earth. Number two, plate tectonic movement. Plate tectonic movement, suppose this is one plate and this is the margin of the plate. This is another plate and this is the margin of this plate. Now when these two plates, they either come and collide with each other or they slide past each other. So whenever this kind of plate tectonic movement occurs, we have volcanic eruption. And third is magma chamber. Now if we see this figure, you can see this is magma chamber. Magma chamber has lot of molten rock material in it. From this magma chamber, the molten rock material comes on the surface of the earth through this central conduit or a pipe, and they come out through an opening on the earth's surface, and this opening is known as vent. And when this opening is funnel shaped, when this depression is shaped like a funnel found at the top of the vent, then we call it a crater. Okay, so volcanic eruption takes place when molten rock material from the magma chamber through a conduit or a pipe comes onto the surface of the earth through an opening known as vent. Now, what are the different products of volcano? In the magma chamber, these rocks, they are found in molten state and therefore they create huge pressure. Now, in order to release the pressure, the molten rock always tries to move vertically upwards. So, it will come out from the magma chamber on the Earth's surface by a conduit known as volcanic vent. Now, when it comes out, the different products that it emits, as long as this molten rock material is inside the earth, it is known as magma. But when it reaches the surface of the earth, it is known as lava. This is important, children, difference between magma and lava. So as long it is inside the earth's surface, molten rock material, as long it is inside the earth's surface, we call it as magma. But moment this molten rock material comes out on the earth's surface, it is known as lava. Now, along with lava, lot of steam is erupted. Steam comes out, lot of other gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen comes out, and it also erupts solid rock fragments known as pyroclast. Next, what you have to learn is constructive and destructive effects of volcano. Constructive effect is landforms. Now, this volcano forms different types of landforms. Number one, volcanic mountains. When the lava accumulates around the vent and give rise to steep-sided cone-shaped mountain. It is known as volcanic mountain. Usually it occurs if the lava is acidic in nature. Then the lava, as soon as it comes out, it solidifies quickly and it forms a very steep-sided cone known as volcanic mountain. If the lava is basic in nature, then the lava is very fluid. It will flow through a long distance. As a result, it will form a mountain with broad shaped and having gentle slope, which is also known as shield volcanoes. Broad or dome shaped with gentle slopes. Next landform is volcanic plateaus. These are formed from the lava which comes from volcanic eruptions. And third, volcanic plains. These plains are vast and smooth, formed by extensive volcanic flooding from volcanic centers. Next is caldera lake. Now, this funnel shaped depression that is formed at the top of the volcano is known as crater. Repeated eruption, one after the other, repeated eruption sometimes blows off the summit and to form a large depression called caldera. And when this caldera is filled with water, it is known as caldera lake. Then we have hot springs and geysers. Now, hot springs and geysers, these are all hot waters that come out from the interior of the earth. If this hot water comes out continuously from the interior of the earth, then it is known as hot springs. And if this hot water and steam comes out at an interval as a in a form of a fountain, then we call it a geyser. Apart from it, very fertile soil is formed due to the withering of lava and ash deposits during an eruption. This area is very rich in minerals and it also helps to generate geothermal energy. Next is the destructive effects of volcano. They destroy life and property, destroys agricultural fields, cause heavy rains which results in floods and landslides, pollute the environment. Volcanic eruption, if it is in the ocean islands, then it is followed by tsunami waves. Important volcanic belts. We have two important volcanic belts. One is Circum-Pacific Belt, another one is Mid-World Mountain Belt. And the third thing is there are three types of volcanoes. Three types of volcanoes. One, the first one is active, that means it is erupting, still erupting. Second one is dormant. Dormant is, it means it's a sleeping volcano. It has not erupted in the recent historical period, but it may erupt. And third one is extinct. Extinct, suppose, is also, it means it's a dead volcano. It has not erupted since last geological era. So these are the three types of volcano: active, dormant, and extinct. Now, examples are very important, children. Apart from this, this chapter, very important questions that come is: what's the definition of volcano? What are the constructive and destructive effects of volcano? What are the three different types of volcano: active, dormant, extinct? And the two important volcanic belts, that is Circum-Pacific Belt and Mid-World Mountain Belt. Examples are very, very important. Thank you, children.